Hello students, let's solve the examples of transformation. So the example is evaluate the integral double integration over r 4x plus 8y dA where r is parallelogram with vertices minus 1 3 1 minus 3 3 minus 1 1 5 by using the transformation x is equal to 1 upon 4 u plus v, y is equal to 1 upon 4 v minus 3. So in solution, let I is equal to, what is given? I is double integral over r 4x plus 8y dA, okay, where region r is parallelogram with these 4 vertices. So where r is parallelogram with vertices, which vertices? Minus 1 3 1 minus 3 3 minus 1 and 1 5. Let us plot r. Let us plot region r. So how is that region? Remember that transformation is given here, okay. So let us plot r. We need this. Suppose it is 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 minus 2, then minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 with vertices, parallelogram with vertices minus 1 3, x axis y axis, minus 1 3 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 5 1 5, okay. So this is region R. Alright, these 3 points. This is minus 1 3, which is that minus 1 3, then 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 and then 1 5, okay. This is region R. So using these points we can find out equation of line, okay, using the same formula. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we will find out these 4 lines, this line, this line, this line and this line, and we will get that the region R is bounded by the lines, which lines? Y is equal to 8 minus 3x, y is equal to x plus 4, then y is equal to minus 3x and y is equal to x minus 4, okay. Then again, what is given to us? Now we have what we have? We have the transformations. X is equal to 1 upon 4 u plus v, y is equal to 1 upon 4 v minus 3. It is given to us, okay. Using that we will find out Jacobian. Therefore J is equal to da by xy upon da by uv, that is da by u by da by x, da by u by da by, that is da by x by da by u dabba x by dabba v, dabba y by dabba u, dabba y by dabba v, which is equal to determinant of partial derivative of x with respect to u is 1 by 4, with respect to v 1 by 4, its partial derivative with respect to u it is minus 3 by 4, with respect to v it is 1 by 4, that is 1 upon 16, minus minus plus 3 upon 16, that is 4 upon 16, that is 1 upon 4. So our j is 1 upon 4. Therefore I will be, what will be I? Therefore I is equal to double integration over region S. Okay, what is given? 4x plus 8y. What is given? 4x, and this is our transformation. So 4 into x, 4 will get cancelled, u plus v, 4x plus 8y, 8 into y, 8 upon 4, that will be 2v minus 3u. Okay, mod j du dv. After simplification, our Jacobian is 1 upon 4. Okay, after simplification it is double integration over s, u multiplying by 2, it is minus 6u, means minus 5u, and v plus 2v, 3v, so 3v minus 5u mod j is plus 1 by 4, so mod of 1 by 4 will be 1 by 4, I am writing it here. Okay, is equal to 1 by 4 du dv. Now we need to find region S. Okay, region S means region in UV plane. Now let us find out region S. So how we find out region S? Using the 4 equations of region R. Okay, so what is first equation? Y is equal to 8 minus 3x. This implies what is y? We have y as 1 upon 4 v minus 3u is equal to this 8 minus 3 into x is, our x is 1 upon 4 u plus v. So by solving it, let us multiply by 4 throughout, so this 4 will get cancelled. V minus 3u is equal to 32 minus 3u minus 3v, which is equal to minus 3u will get cancelled. We can shift this 3v here, so 4v is equal to 32. This implies v is equal to 8. Okay, this is from first equation of line in region R. Second equation of line in region R, y is equal to x plus 4. This implies our y is, our given y means using given transformation 1 by 4 v minus 3u is equal to, our x is 1 by 4 u plus v plus 4. Let us multiply by 4 to both sides. V minus 3u is equal to u plus v plus 16. V get cancelled. We can shift this 3u here or this u here. We get minus 2u is equal to 60. This implies u is equal to minus if this u shifted to left hand side, that will be minus u. So minus 3u minus u will be minus 4u is equal to 16. From this u will be minus 4. Okay, u is minus 4. Okay, v8 u minus 4. Then I am writing these points here. v8 u minus 4. Then next equation of line in region R is y is equal to minus 3x. That is, our y is 1 by 4 v minus 3u is equal to minus 3 into x is 1 by 4 u plus v. Let us multiply by 4. So v minus 3u is equal to minus 3u minus 3. Minus 3u will get cancelled. What we get? V is equal to minus 3v. That is 4v is equal to 0, means v is equal to 0. So third point of region S is v is equal to 0. Third point or third equation of line is this. Then next point of region, next equation of region R, next equation of line in region R we get is y is equal to x minus 4. So y is 1 by 4, v minus 3u is equal to x is 1 by 4 u plus v minus 4. Let us multiply by 4. So v minus 3u is equal to u plus v minus 16. V will get cancelled. What we get? Minus 4u is equal to minus 16. That is, we get u is equal to 4. Okay. So our fourth point is u is equal to 4 here. So what is region S? So region S is bounded by these 4 equations. Okay. Therefore we will write, therefore S is bounded by what? U is equal to, sorry, here u was minus 4, right? Here u was minus 4, because in second equation what we get? Minus 4u is equal to 16. Okay, minus 4u is equal to 16. We get like this from this, u is equal to minus 4. 8 minus 4, 0, 4. Okay, therefore S is bounded by what? U is equal to minus 4, u is equal to 4, v is equal to 0 and v is equal to 8. Now let us find out integral. Therefore I is equal to double integration. What? 1 by 4 is Jacobian. 3v minus 5u, okay, du dv, where u varies from minus 4 to 4 and v varies from 0 to 8. Now you can solve it. Okay. Further, integrate with respect to u, apply limit to minus 4 to 4, and then integrate with respect to v, apply limits as 0 to 8. Okay. Solve this equation, solve this integral further. It's homework. Next example is evaluate the integral double integration over r x square dA, where r is the region bounded by the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36 by using the transformation x is equal to 2u, y is equal to 3. So first of all, let I is equal to this integral r x square dA. What is region R? It is bounded by this ellipse and transformations are also given to us. Okay. So where R is the region bounded by ellipse 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. Okay. Again, we have what we have transformation x is equal to 2u, y is equal to 3v. From this we can find out Jacobian. Therefore J is equal to dabba xy upon dabba uv is equal to determinant of dabba x by dabba u, dabba x by dabba v, dabba y by dabba u, dabba y by dabba v, which is equal to determinant of partial derivative of x with respect to u is 2, with respect to v is 0. Its derivative with respect to u is 0, with respect to v 3. So our determinant is 6. Jacobian is 6. Okay. Therefore our I will be, what will be I? Therefore I will be double integration over some region S x square. X square means this transformation is given for u square mod of Jacobian du into dv. Again this Jacobian is 6, so which is equal to, I can take 6 outside as it is constant, double integration over S. Okay, and 4 in, this is 4, this is 6, so 4 into 6, 24. Okay, u square du dv. Now let us find out region S. So how we will find out region S? Now we can find out it by using given equation of ellipse. Now let us find out region S. Now what is given to us? Equation of ellipse, that is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. Again we have given the transformation, x is equal to 2u, y is equal to 3v. Putting the values of x and y here, what we get? 9. X is 2u square plus 4. Y is 3v square is equal to 36, which is equal to 36u square plus 36v square is equal to 36. That is, we get u square plus v square is equal to 1. Means what? This ellipse in xy plane is equivalent to circle with center 0, 0 and radius 1 in uv plane. Okay. Therefore, region S is circle with center 0, 0 and radius 1. Okay. So what will be I? Therefore I will be double integration. This is 24. Okay. I is equal to 24 u square du dv. Now if we consider strip parallel to, we can take strip parallel to u or we can take strip parallel to v axis. Both ways possible. We have taken u first here, so let us take strip parallel to u axis. So from these, what will be u? U will be minus square root of 1 minus v square to plus square root of 1 minus v square, and it is okay strip parallel to u axis. This is u, this is v. Strip touches to left this circle, so minus of this, again same circle, plus of this side, and v varies from minus 1 to 1 because it is of radius 1. Now let us solve it. First integrate with respect to u, so that will be, which is equal to 24 minus 1 to 1, it is u cube by 3, right? Integration of u square du, it is u cube by 3 with limits minus square root of 1 minus v square to square root of 1 minus v square. Now here if we apply the limits, what we get here? We get here 1 minus v square, this is 1/2, its cube, means we get 1 minus v square raised to 3 by 2. Okay, and further that will be somewhat difficult to integrate with respect to v. So in spite of taking strip parallel to u axis, let us take strip parallel to v axis. Means what? From this do correction. Thus the region S is a circle. Which circle? U square plus v square is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore I is equal to double integration. Double integration what? 6 into 4, that is 24. So 24 double integration u square dv du, where v, so we have taken strip parallel to v axis. So here is v. What is equation of v? Is from this minus square root of 1 minus u square, and here equation is square root of 1 minus u square, and u varies from minus 1 to 1 because radius is 1. Okay. Now let us solve it. So which is equal to 24, it's this minus 1 to 1 as it is, integration with respect to v. So u square is constant, v with limits minus square root of 1 minus u square, square root of 1 minus u square d. that is 24, minus 1 to 1. Let us apply limits to u. So u square square root of 1 minus u square minus minus plus u square square root of 1 minus u square into du, which is equal to, it is 2 times, okay. So which is equal to 2 times this, so take that 2 outside, 48 minus 1 to 1, 2 times, we have multiplied 2 to this 24, so in here it will be u square square root of 1 minus u square du, okay. Now it is integration from minus 1 to 1. Let us take it from 0 to 1. So what we need? So for the complete integration minus 1 to 1, we have taken 0 to 1, means we need to multiply it by 2. Therefore here we will 2 into this 48, okay, u square square root of 1 minus u square du, okay. So to solve this, let's do some substitution. Put u is equal to sin x. So from this what will be du? Du will be cos x dx, okay. When u is equal to 0, okay, what will be x? X must be 0. When u is equal to upper limit is 1, then x must be what? X must be pi by 2, okay. Therefore I will be this 96 2 into 48 integration what? 0 to pi by 2 u square, that is sin square x square root of 1 minus sin square x du is cos x dx. Now let us solve it, which is equal to 96 0 to pi by 2 sin square x square root of 1 minus sin square x, that is square root of cos square x, which is cos x, into this cos x into dx, that is 96 0 to pi by 2 sin square x cos x into cos x cos square x dx. Now we have the formula, which is that sin of 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So from that and here we want square, therefore sin square 2x will be its square, 4 sin square x cos square x. Therefore sin square x cos square x can be written as what? 1 by 4 sin square 2x. So 96 0 to pi by 2 1 by 4 sin square 2x. In bracket you can give this region since this formula is there, which is equal to 96 by 4 integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square 2x. Again using the formula, which formula we have? Cos of 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So using this, what we want now means here is formula is for sin square x, we want sin square 2x. So let us double the angle. Therefore cos of 4x will be 1 minus 2 sin square 2x, okay. So from this what will be? 2 sin square 2x is equal to 1 minus cos 4x, and from this sin square 2x will be 1/2 1 minus cos 4x, okay. So using this is 96 by 4. So 96 by 4 integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square 2x can be written as 1/2 1 minus cos 4x, okay. Here was dx, okay, dx into dx. which is equal to, let us take this 2 outside, so 96 upon 8 integration 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 4x dx. Now let us integrate with respect to x, so it is 12, integrating we get here x minus sin 4x upon 4 with limits 0 to pi by 2. Now let us apply limits, so which is equal to 12, upper limit is pi by 2 minus, so sin 4 into pi by 2, that is sin 2 pi, that will be 0, minus lower limit is 0 minus sin 0, 0. So our answer is 12 into pi by 2, that is 6 pi. Okay. Take the examples of a same type for homework. First example, evaluate the integral double integration over r x square minus xy plus y square dA, where r is the region bounded by the ellipse x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 2 by using the transformation x is equal to root 2u minus square root of 2 upon 3v. Okay, y is equal to root 2u plus square root of 2 upon 3 into v. Okay, these u and v are outside of square root. Okay. Second example for homework, evaluate the integral double integration over r xy dA, where r is the region in the first quadrant bounded by the lines y is equal to x, y is equal to 3x, and the hyperbolas xy is equal to 1, xy is equal to 3, by using the transformation x is equal to u upon v, y is equal to v. Okay. Third example for homework, evaluate the integral double integration over r x minus 2y 3x minus y dA, where r is parallelogram enclosed by the lines x minus 2y is equal to 0, x minus 2y is equal to 4, 3x minus y is equal to 1, 3x minus y is equal to 8. Okay. In this third example, region R is given enclosed by these 4 lines, but transformation is not given. So from this you will find out the transformation x minus 2y, you will put u is equal to x minus 2y is equal to u, and 3x minus y is equal to v. Okay. So solve these 3 examples. Here our 4th chapter is completed, and hence our syllabus for paper first is completed. If there is any difficulty, ask on Google Classroom or on WhatsApp. Okay. So complete all the homework given up to now. Here our syllabus of paper first, that is calculus of several variables, is completed. Thank you.